Top of the morning, YouTube. We back at it. I had a blast this whole weekend. I'm not gonna lie, from like buying my son bike, teaching him how to ride, watching him like elevate and learn how to ride. It's so exciting. Like I really understand how making your kids happy will make you happy as shit, like for real. But yeah, we got that all wrapped up. Dirt bikes, we had super fun. Like took the boat out, took my son on the boat for the first time. I always wanted to take him, but I was kind of nervous, but I got him a cool little life jacket, so everything worked out pretty smooth. But yeah, today we have to play catch up, clean up, and pretty much get the beginning of the work going for the week. I got the road glide I picked up, so we about to finish working on that. I'm about to work on my bike. I got to go take my wheel to the shop, to Ace Hardware, to go get that settled from the last incident I have with the sprocket coming off, getting loose. Even the quad, I need to take that to the shop and get the carburetor fixed. Also, the boat, I need to go and clean that out. It's super dirty. And even my truck, dude, I have like all type of trash and stuff in here after the whole weekend. So we're about to clean up and get everything ready for the day, man. Hopefully, we should be picking up this Jetski, man. I know I've been saying this a lot, but I looked at it, I want to see everything. But where it's at, my boy is like very busy and got a lot going on right now and moving and remodeling the house. So I've been just giving him some time. So stay tuned for the day. We're gonna get all this going. And subscribe and turn on your post notifications, man. Appreciate it. Stay tuned, y'all. Finally got lucky. We're about to go get this Jetski. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, y'all. Man, I swear, like the homie who I'm getting the ski from, solid as fuck. Like, you got a lot of older people in this world who be on like some envy and hating type shit towards younger people for no fucking reason, which I don't understand. Then you got like older people who like the path you be on, the shit you doing, so they feel like, you know what, let me help him out a little bit just off what he doing, the lane he in. And that little shit really be a lot, because being young, it's like you gotta learn a lot of shit the hard way. And to have somebody be like, you know what, listen to this, and they tell you a little situation, then you having to go through it, and then you gotta learn later through a super messed up way. Like, it's a big difference in life. Like, it's a real big difference. And everybody not built like that. That's so crazy. Like, but I learned that over the time. I didn't just learn that overnight. I had to go through some shit and really see who was really there for me, who really was just around, you know? But yeah, stay tuned. The homie got the fresh 2500 diesel. This motherfucker is nice. So we just got the ski. Everything is working out smooth and accordingly. Boy, it came through. I cannot wait to go get a battery and test this thing out now. We finally just pulled back up to the house. Still got to offload the bikes. Finally got the Jetski here. This is really like I don't even know what trailer, but it's made for like the water type. But you see I had to hook the front. Usually it has like a roller like the boat has in the front. But this thing is just very dirty. We're gonna clean it. This is a brand new ski. You can see the webs has been sitting, but it's coming together. About to get this thing going. Get that going there, that twist. About to get this thing going, man. So excited. It's my first ski I ever seen with the open area like that. Shit is tight. We got 2 water things. We ready now. Got this thing super dirty. Hopefully my boy watching this video so we can see these goddamn seeds. Yeah, we about to clean this thing up, man. Clean this, wash this, move this, do the jet ski, so we can get this day going. So we back at it. We just vacuumed in, washed the boat, dried it. Got it much cleaner. Much cleaner. All that trash out. This thing finally looking like a nice clean boat again. Finally got the boat cleaned up, cover back on. About to move this joint, park it. Move the jet ski. Get this thing done. So we then moved the boat, took the jet ski off, moved it by hand so I could wash this thing. Got the boat clean. We're about to get this jet ski right now. Get all this dust, dirt out of this thing. It's been sitting for some time, so we're about to get it right. Then we gotta do the same for the bikes. So now we're about to finally clean this thing and wash this thing down, get it right. So this is the finish. Came out very clean. Got this thing cleaned up. Gotta give me like a little cover. Very happy how clean it came out. Very clean. So we about to wash these things. So much dirt. Finally got the truck clean. Got all that dirt off. This thing looking back regular. About to go get a new one with my boy. So yeah, I'm about to ride with my boy to go pick up a truck from one of my other buddies who got an auction license who flip cars. And basically the truck I've been going to the dirt with that had the white like 2020 Silverado. I'm about to go pick one of those up, but the fully loaded one that's push to start. So stay tuned for that. It's the old one we taking to the dirt. Super filthy. But it's the same thing. This one just don't got like the buttons. Ain't fully loaded. Dirty. This one clean. It's chrome delete, all white. It's motherfucking nice, man. It's way better than another one. The lights in the back. All right. Woo! You hit that, girl. Man, so I'm right here following my boy. He just bought that truck, man, the 2019. That shit is nice as hell, super clean, brand new, low miles. It actually has less miles in this rental that we're in. And it's so crazy, he's been driving that rental for the past couple of weeks. And now he got the same truck, even better, fully loaded with push to start. You see, this one is by key, but that one is fully loaded. So that is very nice. I know he's happy for sure, man. Pink slip, clean title, straight out of the auction. I think it had like very little minor damage. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get another good view of it as soon as we stop. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Thanks for tuning in. It's so crazy though, but I try to tell all my friends, like, man, you need a truck. Like, he just got the quad, he just got the 450. He's the person I've been going to the dirt with my son almost like every week. So now he got his own truck. He's ready to go for whatever. And that's the main thing, is just being prepared for yourself and everything you want to do without involving other people or having to rent or pay or use someone else's stuff, you know? So it's like, that's the main thing.